Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to deposit money from Revolut to Chime in 2025. Whether you're a digital nomad managing multiple accounts or just looking to move funds quickly, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have both your Revolut and Chime accounts fully set up and verified. You'll need your Chime account details handy, like the account number and routing number, which you can find in your Chime app under Settings. Step 1. Open the Revolut app on your smartphone and log in securely. Once you're in, head over to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Step 2. Look for the option to add a new recipient or make an external transfer. Select Bank Transfer or ACH Transfer, as this is the most common way to link to Chime. Step 3. Enter your Chime account details. Input the routing number and account number carefully to avoid any errors. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to transfer and add any optional notes, like a reference for your records. Revolut might prompt you for additional security, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or two-factor authentication. Go ahead and confirm that. Step 5. Review the transfer summary, including any potential fees, and hit Confirm to initiate the deposit. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so keep an eye on your Chime app for updates. A quick tip: always check for any transfer fees from both Revolut and Chime, as they can vary. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, verify your details or reach out to customer support for both services. And there you have it. That's how you easily deposit money from Revolut to Chime in 2025. This method keeps your finances flexible and secure. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.